In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive but not from your PC or laptop. This is a useful technique if you want to keep your files on your local device while freeing up some space on your OneDrive account. Let's dive right in. First up, you need to understand the relationship between your OneDrive and your computer. Your OneDrive is a cloud storage service that synchronizes files between your online storage and your local device, allowing you to access your files from anywhere. By default, anything you delete in OneDrive will also be removed from your PC if it's currently synced. To prevent that, we'll adjust the settings so the files remain locally on your computer. Begin by opening the OneDrive app on your computer. You'll find it in the system tray on Windows or the menu bar on Mac. Look for the small cloud icon, click on it to open the OneDrive menu. From here, select the Help Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon. Then, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with all the settings related to your OneDrive account. Now, you're going to look for the tab labeled Account. Here, you can see the list of all the folders that are currently being synced between your OneDrive and your PC. To stop syncing a particular folder while keeping it on your PC, click on the Choose Folders button. A window will pop up showing all your OneDrive folders. You can uncheck any folder you want to stop syncing from OneDrive. By doing this, it removes the folder from your OneDrive cloud storage but ensures the files stay on your PC. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm. Let's take a moment to clarify a critical point. What we're doing here doesn't delete the files or the folders directly from OneDrive until you confirm those changes. The files will be taken off the sync list but remain available on your PC. This prevents them from being uploaded back to the cloud after the next sync. Once you've adjusted your settings, go ahead and move the local version of the files out of the OneDrive folder on your PC. This final step ensures the files don't reappear in OneDrive during a future sync. Simply move them to another directory on your computer, such as your documents or desktop folders. This way, the files stay put on your device while you maintain the space in your OneDrive. And that's it. You've now successfully removed files from OneDrive while keeping them on your computer. Just remember, now these files are only accessible locally, so you won't find them in your cloud storage or any other device linked to your OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.